One day, a woman died on the stairs in the factory. She was the wife of Mr. Shun. People saw that she had an accident. One day, a woman died on the stairs in the factory. She was the wife of Mr. Shun. People saw that she had an accident. Mr. Shun was very sad, but scratches on her head was hit many times by anything. A man began to investigate. The investigator's name is Kaz. At first, Mr. Kaz doubted her colleague. She always fight. She was serious, so she didn't miss work. She especially fight Mr. Taka. But that day, Mr. Taka ate dinner with colleagues, so he had an alibi. Mr. Katz thought who was criminal. Mr. Katz noticed Mr. Shun had different smell from her house, so Mr. Katz doubted Mr. Shun. Mr. Katz found that Mr. Shun had a mistress, and clothes with her blood had been in the mistress' house. Mr. Shun was arrested as a criminal. At last, Mr. Katz drank white wine because he solved a case.